How to enable dark mode on Play Store. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you enable the dark theme on the Play Store, then here's the real guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable dark mode on Play Store, simply go and open up the Play Store from your phone, and from the Play Store homepage, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the top right. Now from the profile, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom and then go and tap on the settings option. And once you're here inside the settings, expand the first option, general. You just need to tap on this down arrow button and it'll get us to a few different option will pop up. And from the list, he'll get to see the option theme. You just need to tap on theme. You'll get to see it's selected with the system. So if you now enable the dark mode, so I'm going to select the dark and then tap on OK. Once you do that, the Play Store will immediately get into the dark mode. If I get back to the home page, you'll get to see the Play Store has get into the dark mode. And this is how you can enable the dark mode on Play Store. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.